Rolling action 3.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making healthier gluten-free meatballs. Let's get into it. First we're going to start off by chopping up our onion. We're going to throw that in a big glass bowl and then we're going to start grating a carrot. You can also use potatoes, zucchini, that type of thing. And then we're going to make sure that we strain or squeeze out as much of the liquids as we possibly can. We want those dry. Then we're going to chop up a mushroom, which of course is optional, but it's just a veggie that I have, and you can throw that in there. Then we're going to add our spices. We're going to start off with some garlic powder. You want a good amount of that, and then some onion powder. A good little sprinkle, some oregano. I would also recommend some parsley. Unfortunately, I ran out, so I'm going to also sprinkle in some Italian. And then we have going to add in 1 egg. If you're doing a lot of meat, you can also do 2 eggs because you don't want it to be too dry. Then I like to add in some quinoa and some nutritional yeast. This helps hold it together. It's kind of like a replacement for the breadcrumbs. And then optionally some hemp hearts as well for some extra nutrients. Now we're going to add in our meat just like that. Now that we've got all of our ingredients in there, we're going to give it a good mix with your hands. And don't over mix it or it can be kind of like hard, like too dense, I guess. Then we're going to roll up our meatballs. I had to get the whole family involved for this. We have a special tool and I don't know how to use it properly. Then we're going to toss those in the oven for about 15 minutes. And I'm going to have mine with some rice. So we're going to wash our rice first and get that cooking. Then we're going to get started on our sauce. This has a ketchup for the base. I'm going to a good amount of that. I like to add a little bit of hot sauce as well, and then a splash of vinegar and some brown sugar. You're going to heat that up on like medium-low heat till it starts to thicken up just a little bit. And then once our meatballs are done, we're going to toss it in the sauce. And this stuff is delicious, trust me. We're going to give it a nice good stir until every meatball is fully coated with that delicious sauce, just like that. Then we're going to pour it over our rice, and voila. This is already my second bowl. It's so good. Till next time!